is the largest land mammal in the world. While the average of life is 8 years old and was recorded. And for the scientific name, there is the Elephas maximus. There is a scientific name for an elephant, Elephas maximus. For an elephant, the tiger is a herbivore and one of the majestic animals. There is an elephant. There are two major species of the elephants, the Asian and the African elephant. While the African elephant is slightly bigger than the Asian elephant. So in front of me right now, our elephant, the Asian elephant, is slightly smaller than the African elephant. There are 8 types of elephants that can be found from all over the world. The range of flowers only shut wild but more than, especially for an elephant that like to sleep early in the morning. There is at a time for them to take a sleep. The two flowers and elephants, they will wake up. When they wake up, they will continue eating. So for an elephant that eat approximately 150 kg food per day, depends on the size of the elephant. The more bigger the elephant, more and more consume the food is one. Because they need to maintain their body temperature and they need to keep their body cool. So that's what they do the whole day. They live in the jungle, especially. And as right now, the hood is demonstrating how they're trying to get on seat by back onto the elephant's body. Well, there is a first technique. And it's time the hood needs to step down from the elephant. Well, this time what the hood is going to demonstrate how they're trying to get up from front of the elephant. Here it goes by using the elephant trunk, the elephant well, top of the hood. Well, they say that man and hood are working together as a one team, and slowly the hood will see falling back onto the elephant's body, especially for the domestic lovers in preheated. Then the hood need to see, and we'll see. Especially in Thailand, right where they have used an elephant gathering, they timber lock from the jungle or to the forest area as their transportation. And right now one of the elephants approaching in front of the timber lock. There you can see that. Elephants in approaching the timber lock. A strong elephant, very easily approach that timber lock. So that's exactly how the elephant rearranged the timber. Trunk made of about 100,000 different muscles without any single piece of bone. The trunk by this time, an elephant using a steel chain. Right now you can see that an elephant pull and drag the timber log. Break at the midday to rest under the fruit trees. After walking the farmland towards late evening, the farmers return to the village with the harvested crops and vegetable. The farmers live happily in the village for many years without any troubles. But all of a sudden, one Saturday night, some displaced wild elephant from the nearby jungle came to the farmers' farmland and destroyed all the crops which are due for harvesting. Some of the fruit trees were put down to the ground and destroyed. Why such human-elephant conflict happening in places like India, Indonesia, and other Asian countries? Well, in the name of development, the larger